This is an incredibly important case that they are carrying the position of workers forward. This nation was not built with gold and silver. It was built with labor. Labor was the first advocates for a reasonable workday, protection of workers. Most of our great social programs and ideas came out of the labor movement. The middle class came out of the labor movement. Now people are concerned that the gap between the haves and the have-nots is growing. This is a direct result of the assault by the right on the rights of labor and their efforts to diminish the power and the effectiveness of labor. They have been absolutely essential to the great American middle class, increasing wages, improving the quality of life for generations. But the percentage of unionized private sector workers has declined dramatically over the last 60 years, from a peak of 35% to just 6.6% today. And it has had a real impact on wages, retirement, security, benefits for the middle class, and the ability to achieve the American dream for millions of Americans. And this did not happen by accident. There's been a direct, organized assault on workers' rights and unions by many on the right, and they're trying to do the same thing now to public employee unions. With this lawsuit, nearly 36% of public employees belong to a union today. That's the same rate it was a decade ago, and we need to protect it. 25 states have instituted a right to work that does nothing but strip workers' rights, and the results are in. Workers in states make nearly $6,000 less each year than in states with strong collective bargaining rights. On the campaign trail, you'll hear the right vilify union members and candidates and call for collective bargaining to be destroyed. But we know better. We need to protect it. This is an important case. This is just another example of the anti-union, anti-worker agenda of the Republican Party and the right wing. So we need to stand with organized labor and support Attorney General Schneiderman, and the colleagues he is organizing are absolutely right to weigh here on behalf of public employees and their unions. I'm proud he's on the front lines defending good jobs and values that strengthen our communities.